Property na malapit sa Manila at pasok sa Pag-ibig Financing. If interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Located lang ito sa Barangay Carsadang Bago, Imus, Cavite. Malapit lang ito sa Cavite. Kaya naman approximately 30 to 45 minutes lang ito going to PITX. Meron din itong minimum lot size na 50 square meters. Kaya naman may provision ka for one carport at meron pa tayong service area. Floor area naman ito ay 64 square meters. Kaya may enough space tayo for living, dining, and kitchen area. Dito naman sa second floor, meron tayong maluwag na hallway at total of 3 bedroom at meron pa tayong isang toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Pasok ito sa bank financing at Pag-ibig Financing for as low as 17,000 monthly amortization for 30 years. May option tayo para sa down payment term na 20, 24, or 30 months for as low as 37,327. Talaga naman livable na to upon turnover dahil nakita nyo naman na complete finish ito at ito na ang acting actual turnover. Guys, ang maganda dito is meron pa tayong pa-balcony at isa pa sa gusto ko, meron itong modern na design. Kaya naman kung interested ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!